So we get a little bit closer look for the VS ARM-based stuff here. So we are actually playing now with a netbook-like ARM-based device, which is now of course called SmartBook, because you have to separate them too. So tell me a bit about the uses of this kind of devices.
Well, first of all, we're really happy that they're calling them smart books, because we've been doing that for about a year now, and we've got the prior art on our websites to prove it. But yeah, no, smart books is definitely the right category for this, because the consumer's going to get all the benefits that they're used to associating with their smartphones and also with their so-called netbook category. Now, the nice thing about that means that they're going to have and be able to enjoy instant on. Even some features of the devices will be working when the computer is off, which is great. It's very lightweight, of course, and extremely quiet and long battery life. And I think that's one of the big things that people are looking for. If you look at some of the recent announcements from companies like Qualcomm and Snapdragon, basically VIA is competing in the same space. The nice thing that for Wonder Media that they've done though is they're using VIA IP for their chipset to do a lot of the hardware and video encoding, so they've got great video performance and again the advantages that VIA's always had in their low power strategy.
Yeah, so we have basically a smartphone platform but in a netbook frames, and this system right now it's running Windows CE, but there is Ubuntu for ARM, there are some other new platforms, and also Windows CE is typically used actually as a core with then specialized UI on top. So like here we have a small application which is like a YouTube search window, so we can search YouTube videos and actually play them nicely on Windows CE. So this is interesting, especially the connected standby and connected times and integrated 3G stuff here is highly welcome for mobile users like me. Of course, we have yet to see a nice browser on this device, because for me, of course, the internet use is one of the key things here. So we need to see good browsers also. But oh, let's play it. So playing YouTube perfectly here. Yeah, no those guys.
Some of those guys look familiar.
Cool, so thank you. We must hear more about that soon, and I'm hoping the best for this kind of new innovations.
The nice thing about the Wonder Media Prism platform, it goes into all kinds of devices, whether it's smart books like this one, we have smart picture frames, we've got smart UMPCs, and even smart digital media displays, so I'm sure there's going to be lots of products for you guys to be checking out in the near future.
That's really cool. So this was JKK Mobile from Computex 2009, more soon.